Option number one is to owner finance. And basically you are still getting a loan, but what it is the owner of the property basically holds your mortgage. So you're going to be dealing with that person directly. I just want to make a point, and this is very, very important. If you do owner finance, make sure you use a title company. So it's going to be the owner you're purchasing the land from, you, and then you have the third person in the middle, which is the title company, which is, brings you two together, and they do a title search to make sure there's no liens on that property, and they draw up the paperwork and just get everything all squared away. They know what to file where, and it just works really well if you do that. Okay, so here's the quick version of how I did it. I didn't have bad credit. I basically had no credit. So what I did is I just scoured the papers and I just looked at a lot of different pieces of land. And then, I knew what I wanted, what I didn't want. And so, basically, I wasn't like an expert, but basically I had an idea of what I wanted and stuff and what I didn't. So then, I found the land after looking at lots of pieces. Talked to the people, of course, and then just worked out a deal to owner finance. I contacted a title company and just made arrangements through that. And then just after all that's done, it's just bing, bang, boom, it's yours. And so then you're off and starting your new journey on your homestead. Option number two is to find a small land broker company. That's what I did. I bought a piece of property through a land brokerage on this piece of property, actually. And what that is it's a very small company that it goes around and finds pieces of property and then they resell it. That's just their job, whatever. So you can go to them and they can actually have several pieces of property that they can show you that they have for sale. And the important part is about the company is they do the financing. There's still no need for a bank to be involved. They do it. And they're usually much more lenient than going to a bank. A bank just is very stringent. They're very picky, and it's just they're the hardest to deal with, in my opinion. So the land brokerage company is a great way to have one-stop shopping where they can show you several pieces of property to choose from. So that's a good one to look into. And there's a lot of them out there. Just search land broker and then your state, and then there'll be a list of them that you can contact. Option number three is you can pay cash. If you search around and find a piece of property that is a very good deal and a very low price, which you can do that, and then if you're in a situation like you're young, you're still living at home, but you don't have any big bills or expenses, you can just save. You have an opportunity there to save. And, it wouldn't take you too awful long to save $5,000, $6,000, $7,000. So with that money, you would be able to buy a piece of property somewhere. It's definitely doable, and it's a good option for some people. You can do it. And you'll be so happy, it'll be so nice because you'll be have accomplished your first goal to get your land, you got your home base now, and you can just start taking your baby steps to develop your homestead. It is so exciting and so much fun. It's very healthy for you. You'll be learning new skills. It's just an awesome journey, and I highly recommend it.